Hey guys! In this video, I will show you how to remove Cash App limit. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you need to understand that your Cash App limits are not something you can manually change with a button. These limits are automatically set based on factors like your account verification and activity. To check your current limits, just tap on your profile at the top and scroll down to Limits section. There, you'll see how much you can send, receive, add, and cash out. Now, if you notice, there's no option to increase these limits directly. That's because Cash App controls them automatically. However, the most important step you can take is to verify your identity. This usually involves providing your full name, date of birth, and in some regions, your ID or SSN. Once your account is verified, your limits will increase significantly. After verification, the next thing that matters is how you use the app. Try to stay active, send and receive money regularly, add funds, and cash out when needed. This builds trust with the system and shows that your account is in good standing. Over time, Cash App may automatically increase your limits even further based on your usage and reliability. Keep in mind, this doesn't happen instantly. It may take some time. If you believe your limits should already be higher after verification, you can also contact Cash App support. Go to the support section in the app and request a review of your limits. And that's it. So that's basically how you can remove Cash App limit. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Answer: Ad is Witter, and it's Discover. Thanks.